Hi everybody, welcome back to the next episode of Taco Tuesday. If you didn't catch episode 1, we looked at outputs from the free models from OpenAI. And this week we're looking at the top scorers from Deepseek. And it's the same rubric as last time. We're looking at the generation of taco menus for Taco Tuesday. So we're gonna keep this one short. It's only about 8 minutes. So it's 3 menus. Hope you enjoy them. And we'll see you next Tuesday.
Salsa, cilantro, lime on the side. The models are cooking, what's there to hide? Carne asada, beans in a row. Which AI's got the sauce? Nobody knows.
Welcome to Taco Tuesday, the menu for mischief makers and plot twisters. Be warned, consumption may cause spontaneous adventure or sudden inspiration, leading to smug grins and bookmarking pages. Start your journey with our appetizers. Try the red herring nachos, where the real treasure is beneath the cheats. Or indulge in Gone Without a Trailer guacamole, served with plantain chips that might vanish mid-sentence. Dive into the surf options. Moby Dick's Revenge is a crispy, beer-battered cod taco. And our Jaws of Life shrimp taco with mango salsa bites back only with flavor. From the turf, we have the Silence of the Lamb barbacoa, slow-cooked lamb with roasted salsa verde. For a relaxing experience, try Big Sleep Carne Asada. Warning, it may induce siestas. For the vegetariano option, enjoy green eggs and sham, featuring scrambled eggs and poblano peppers. Or try the Lord of the Onion Rings, one ring to rule them all, dipped in salsa. If you're looking for vegana options, the Murder on the Orient Express jackfruit offers a complex flavor. Alternatively, the Telltale Heartbeat features a roasted beet and black bean patty beneath the tortilla. Don't forget the sides. The plot twist street corn will surprise you. And the double-crossed refried beans may look innocent, but taste treacherous. Quench your thirst with our mocktails. Options include the suspenseful Hitchcock's Virgin Mojito, Agatha Christie's Alibi, and the relentlessly refreshing No Country for Old Liner. Seize the taco and escape the ordinary. Take advantage of our Taco Tuesday special. 3 tacos plus a side for $13. Gluten-free tortillas are available for $1 extra. Welcome to the Taco Tuesday menu, a feast for the fearless and the footloose. This menu is designed for thriller authors, vagabonds, and culinary renegades. First, we have our surf selection, 25% danger and 100% delicious. Try the Old Man and the Sea Bass with crispy sea bass and mango habanero slaw, or the jaws-dropping shrimp Diablo with grilled shrimp and charred pineapple salsa. Next, explore the turf options, 25% grit, 100% guilty pleasure. Indulge in the Silence of the Lamb's chops with Moroccan spiced lamb, or No Country for Old Menudo, featuring braised beef cheek and hominy. For our vegetariano choices, which are 25% green and 100% greedy, we offer the Girl with the Dragon tofu with smoked tofu and sriracha lime slaw. You can also try Fear and Loathing in Lentil Vegas with spiced lentils and avocado crema. The vegana options are 25% zen and 100% zesty. Enjoy The Murder of Roger Ackroyd. He was a mushroom, featuring roasted oyster mushrooms and cashew queso. Or try Gone with the Wind, because beans, with black bean smash and jackfruit carnitas. Don't forget the sides and appetizers, which are 100% necessary. This includes the Telltale Hearts of Palm Salad, As I Lay Frying Plantains, and Lord of the Onion Rings. Quench your thirst with our mocktails, 0% booze, 100% drama. Choose from the Maltese Falcon's Fizz, Blood Orange and Sand, or the Big Sleep, but make it spicy. Our menu is designed to thrill. Come for the tacos, stay for the plot twists. Please note all tacos can be made gluten-free with our corn tortillas. Welcome to the Taco Tuesday menu, created for thrill seekers, word weavers, and hungry renegades. Start with danger in our appetizers. Try the Blood Meridian Beet Tartare with horseradish crema, or the Shining Queso Fundido, featuring melted chorizo lace cheese. Next, explore our surf tacos. The Moby Dip Tempura Cod features wasabi slaw, yuzu tartar, and nori dust. It's part of our 25% surf collection. For turf tacos, we have the No Country for Old Menudo, a coffee-rubbed brisket with pickled red onion and smoked bone marrow crema. Our veg and vegan options include The Silence of the Lambs, lentil and walnut liver, and Fear and Loathing in Lima Vegas jackfruit carnitas. Fuel your journey with our sides. Choose from As I Lay Frying plantain chips, the Telltale Hearts of Palm salad, or the Lord of the Onion rings. For sobering adventures, we offer mocktails. Options include The Old Man and the Sea Salt Rim, the Poirot-approved Murder on the Orient Margarita, and Green Eggs and Ham. Mocktail. Come hungry and leave cryptic. Remember, for gluten-free or vegan options, just whisper the code word Red Rum. The following slides list the image sources used in this video. More image sources are listed here.
The time is now, let it go. Take a chance, we're coming in slow. Hold your horses, not just yet. What did he say? We don't know. On the line, and the light, when the night. So if you wanna get down, baby, say it now, 'cause tonight is gonna be wild. It's Taco Tuesday. Taco Tuesday. The time is now, let it go. Take a chance, we're coming in slow. Hold your horses, not just yet. What did he say? We don't know. On the line, in the light, when the night. So if you wanna get down, baby, say it now, 'cause tonight is gonna be wild. It's Taco Tuesday. It's Taco Tuesday. Taco Tuesday. No time to waste. Baby, you just need a taste of what we're serving on your plate. Tonight is gonna be wild. When I look in your eyes, I see a lover in disguise. In the light, when the night. So if you wanna get down, baby, say it now, 'cause tonight is gonna be wild. It's Taco Tuesday. It's Taco Tuesday. The time is now, let it go. Take a chance, we're coming in slow. Hold your horses, not just yet. What did he say? We don't know. On the line, in the light, when the night. So if you wanna get down, baby, say it now, 'cause tonight it's gonna be wild. It's Taco Tuesday. It's Taco Tuesday. We're in the night, so if you wanna get down, baby, say it now, 'cause tonight is gonna be wild.